everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know you clicked on here because you want to know what my giveaway is, or you already know and you want the information about how to win these awesome links. So let me tell you what I'm doing, what I'm giving away, and how to enter. I am giving away 4 links, so I'm going to have 4 separate raffles. It's going to be one for the orange, a raffle for the silver, a raffle for the red, and I'm still waiting to get the blue one in, but I'll also be raffling off a blue set of links. Each one is going to come with a set of washers. It's going to come with whatever the normal kit comes with. I'm going to give you a business card, one of the Baja Ron stickers, directions. Of course, you can use my YouTube video. And it's going to come in a nice padded envelope. So it's going to be a really nice package for you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a live giveaway a week from this coming Saturday. So it's going to be on August 1st, on Saturday, August 1st, 12 noon Eastern Central Time. So it is Florida, United States time. Unfortunately, for my huge supporters from all over the world, this contest is going to be just for United States residents only. I do apologize, and I'm not looking to offend anybody or make anyone angry by doing it just for US residents, but it's just so expensive to ship overseas. So I do apologize. Hopefully as my channel grows and I start actually making some money from the channel, I can afford to kind of ship stuff anywhere in the world, but right now I'm just doing for US residents only. My apologies. Okay, so to enter the contest, this is the only area you can enter the contest. So if you see me posting it someplace else, again, those are just reminders that the contest is going on, but this link, this post right here is the only way to enter the contest. How do you enter? You put down below, I want to win your links. That's all, or something along those lines. And more importantly, you have to enter the color of the links that you want to enter to win. So if you want orange, make sure you say to enter orange. If you don't tell me what color you want to win, your name's not going to go anywhere. Because I'm doing 4 separate raffles, 4 separate piles for everything. So choose the orange or copper, whatever color this may be. Orange, silver, red, or blue. Mention that in your comments so I'll know where to put it. The links were given to me from Can-Am Spyder. And I just think this is the nicest thing. They saw my video because I sent it to them of the install, and he was so impressed by the video that he sent me these links to give away on my channel. And I just think that's very sweet. So thank you so much, Can-Am Spyder. Thank you so much, Baja Ron, for making an incredible product. I'm just over the moon with this item. So the sway bar, everything is so good. Also, just to keep in mind, if you buy these links, or if you win these links, or buy, you can always go back and add later the sway bar. So, like I mentioned in my last video, Can-Am Spyder does allow you to order the half a kit. You have to call him and talk to him. It's not on his website, but you're able to order just if you have these already, you're able to order just the sway bar and the arms that come with it. But as far as I'm concerned, these are all just giveaways, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy to do it. There is one more way. So everybody gets 1 entry. You have to be a subscriber. Oh my God, I almost forgot. If you are not a subscriber, you cannot enter this contest. This is just a gift from me to you, my subscribers. So I will be checking. If you're not a subscriber, I'm pulling your name from the contest. This is strictly for the people who took the time to subscribe. So if you're watching this and you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button. Don't just enter, hit the subscribe button. Fun little fact, 82.3% of people watching right now are watching all of my videos. They don't bother to hit the subscribe button. And the subscribe button is really the only way you can help me is by hitting the subscribe button. That's how I know that my videos are being watched. That's how I can let other people know that my channel is actually kind of decent if I have a lot of subscribers. So hit the subscribe button, and that is the only way to enter this contest. But there is one more, I think it's a kind of cool thing, way that you can get 10 entries in the contest, and here's how. Buy a shirt. If you support my channel on Etsy, it's Ryker Rides on Etsy, and I will put the link. Actually, I'll put the link in the top corner for you. and how to get this shirt. So there are limited sizes and limited quantity left. But if you buy the shirts, you will get 10 entries into this raffle. So what happens if you already bought a shirt? Yes, you will also get 10 entries in the raffle. You just need to let me know. I can't assume you bought a shirt. I can't assume, so you have to help me out. And when you put your name into the raffle and you say, okay, I want, put my name in for the red links. So you want it to be, can you enter me 10 times I have bought a shirt or I just bought a shirt? So please let me know if you bought a shirt or did buy a shirt so I can put the proper amount of your name in the contest. So hopefully that is clear. If it is not, please ask in the comment section below so I can clear anything up for you. Thank you so much. This is a huge gift for you guys from me, and it's not that huge, but it's a gesture on my part as a way of saying thank you so much for being such great subscribers. Your comments they motivate me, they make me happy, and you guys have been so awesome. And any chance I get, I do have more giveaways coming up. I'm not going to give away anything yet, no hints or anything, but I do have, I think, 2 more giveaways coming up. So I'm trying to space them out a little bit. So again, subscribe, buy a shirt. These are all ways to enter, and buying a shirt gets you 10 extra entries. So thank you so much. Thank you for everything. This channel motivates me to get out of bed in the morning during this crazy time. And I am just so grateful for everybody. And thank you. I'll see you next week.